Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In this video, it is going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to be the one cleaning today. It's going to be my husband. About a week ago, I was scrolling through my subscription list and just watching the YouTube videos like I typically do, and I saw that Fantasia from This Life of Mine challenged her husband. I've been following her for a little while now. I believe she found me or I found her, I'm not really sure. Anyways, we've been communicating on and off through comments here and there. She does cleaning videos as well. She does really good ones. She has a lot of motivation on her channel, so do check her out. I will leave the link to the video that I watched that inspired me to do this video in my description box down below. So if you read the thumbnail, you know that I challenged my husband to a power hour. Now, when I saw her do it, I saw her husband clean, I was like, wow, he got so much done. Like, that's so awesome. He filmed it, he did the voiceover, he did all this stuff. I was like, I want to challenge my husband. So I showed my husband the video and he was like, yeah, I'll do it. So he set out and decided he wanted to do it on Mother's Day so that he could clean on Mother's Day, I could relax, enjoy Mother's Day. So he filmed his power hour on Mother's Day and I'm giving it to you guys today. So stay tuned and watch and see how much my husband can complete in 1 hour. It was a fun challenge to see because we do clean very differently. So I loved watching the footage back and I am excited to see how you guys react to this video. If you haven't yet, consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and I will let you guys jump into it.
Hey everyone, Trevor here. My wife challenged me to a cleaning power hour, and this is the mess she set me up with on this glorious Mother's Day. She claims I move like a sloth. In this time frame, I'll be trying to knock out the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. Wish me luck. I get started with a full head of steam and decided to attack the kitchen first to quickly realize I forgot something. Maybe I should set a timer. I knocked out the adult dishes and decided to clean the sink, which only took a few minutes. I felt like I was making pretty good time. Then I run into the devastating and time-consuming baby bottles.
This wild, wild world.
only finishing up the baby bottles, and I'm going to wrap up the kitchen. I always see Tasha with her little handy dandy caddy. No idea what's in it, but it's got to be important, so I'm bringing it with.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Checking out the time here. I honestly don't feel I'm on a good pace, but it's my first rodeo, so let's see how it turns out. This table turned into an absolute mess. We just went to a wedding the night before, and with it being Mother's Day, our dining table became the quick and easy place to just, sit things. And then I have all these boxes I brought down from her closet organized and cleaned last week. Check out the link below. I was actually supposed to put all these in the garage last week, and it come back to bite me in the butt.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
On to the living room now. I haven't looked at the clock in a good minute, but deep down, I know I need to pick it up. I feel this is where I've got to shine. I know I'm running out of time.
Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
I gave it a shot, and I fell a little short. It's definitely a lot harder to clean and film it. I give props to everyone out there making cleaning videos. Keep doing you. My wife puts out a couple videos a week. You should check them out when you get time. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, give a like, and let Tasha know down in the comments you want to see more of her husband. Thank you for watching.